Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope SM3BZ FOD Professional Binocular Stereo Zoom Microscope is a remarkable piece of equipment that excels in delivering high-quality optical performance for a variety of applications, including biological research, electronics inspection, and industrial quality control. One of its standout features is the wide magnification range of 3.5X to 90X, which provides flexibility for observing specimens of different sizes and complexities. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The microscope comes equipped with WH10x eyepieces, which not only offer superior clarity but also enhance user comfort during extended use. The ergonomic design of the binocular head, adjustable for different viewing angles, helps reduce neck strain, making long hours of observation more manageable. The stereo vision provided by the binocular setup gives a remarkable depth of field that is critical for detailed work, allowing users to effectively analyze three-dimensional specimens. Another notable feature is the zoom capability ranging from 0.7x to 4.5x, which provides seamless adjustments without the need for changing objectives. This facilitates quick transitions between magnifications and enhances productivity, particularly in tasks requiring meticulous attention to detail, such as circuit board inspection or entomological studies. The build quality of the AmScope SM3BZ FOD is impressive. The solid metal construction enhances durability and stability during use. The built-in LED illumination system is an added advantage, providing bright and adjustable lighting that is essential for working with transparent or reflective specimens. While the microscope is designed for professional use, it is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners as well. The clear instructions and straightforward assembly process allow users to get started quickly. Overall, the AmScope SM3BZ FOD is a versatile and robust microscope that meets the demands of both experienced professionals and those new to microscopy. With its combination of high magnification capabilities, ergonomic design, and excellent optics, it is certainly a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of quality microscopy tools.